Let's be honest. Most guys think looking good means hitting the gym and using some fancy face wash. But what actually ruins your looks are the habits you repeat every single day without realizing it. So today, let's talk about 5 habits that quietly make you ugly and what to do instead. 1. Not sleeping enough. When you skip rest, your body literally shuts down your glow. Your eyes puff up, your skin dulls, and your posture drops. Sleep is where testosterone rebuilds, skin repairs, and confidence resets. If you're scrolling till 3 a.m., that's not hustle, that's self-damage. Start sleeping 7 to 8 hours, no phone 30 minutes before bed. You'll notice your face tighten and your energy feel sharper within a week. 2. Bad posture. You could have a great jawline and still look weak if you're always slouched. Posture changes everything. Your walk, your voice, your first impression. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. It's not about acting tough. It's about showing you respect yourself. Confidence is visual, and the way you carry yourself can make or break your entire look. Try wall posture checks every morning for 60 seconds. It's small, but it rewires how you move through the world. 3. Eating like you don't care. Fast food. 3 times a week, no water, and random snacks. That stuff shows on your skin faster than you think. Greasy food and sugar kill your skin's natural balance, cause acne, and make your hair weaker. You don't need a diet plan. Just eat like you respect your body. Add protein, fruits, and clean water daily, not for six-pack goals, but for energy and clarity. Your skin, your eyes, and even your hairline will thank you. 4. Never grooming properly. Too many guys think grooming is for girls. Wrong. Grooming is hygiene, discipline, and self-respect. Trim your beard regularly, keep your nails clean, fix your haircut on time, and use a subtle deodorant. When you smell fresh and look tidy, you instantly seem more confident, without saying a single word. It's not about vanity, it's about showing you have standards. 5. Negative self-talk. This one's invisible but deadly. If every time you look in the mirror you tell yourself, "I'm ugly," or "I'm not enough," your mind starts to believe it, and it shows in your face, your walk, your vibe. You don't need to fake positivity, just stop being your own enemy. Focus on progress, not perfection. Compliment yourself for showing up. That quiet confidence is what actually makes men attractive. You don't need surgery or filters to look better. You just need to fix what's slowly breaking you down. Start small, fix one habit at a time, and in 30 days, you'll look and feel like a completely different person. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I drop real self-improvement advice for guys who actually want to level up.